Morning, guys. It's me, Brandy, and I am getting ready for work. Exciting, getting ready for work. So, figured I'd just turn on the camera, see what happens. Hope y'all are doing fine. Hope everybody's good. Just gonna use some e.l.f. There we go. CBD eye cream. I don't know what it is, but I'm super tired today. Maybe it's the fan. Maybe that's it. Let's try that. Okay, let's do some Poreless Putty Primer. Poreless Putty Primer. I like to put it on with this brush from e.l.f. Well, that's better. It's nicer with the fan on. How's everybody doing? Good, I hope. I'm just getting ready for work. Doing something. I don't know what I'm doing for my makeup today. I have a few palettes out, but I don't know if I plan on doing like a one and done type of a situation. I don't know. We'll see. I have a weird tickle in my throat. Just feels like a cold. But that's always fun and exciting. What do I want to do for makeup today? Let's do this e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. This one's my favorite. I use it every time I wear makeup. And I don't go crazy at all. Just if I have any little like imperfections, I try to cover them up. I'm not crazy about makeup, face makeup. I'm not a big crazy like concealer person or foundation. Of course, you guys already know that if you know me. If you've been here before, you know I just like to play with makeup. Alright, that's pretty much it for the face as far as concealer goes. I'm going to do my Very Dirty Pro Glow. I'm almost out of this cream contour. It's lasted me a very long time. I want to say I've used it the last year. And I really need to clean my brushes. Maybe I will do that tonight. I mean, I don't have that many I need to clean, but because I have a lot of brushes. But I want to clean my good ones that we just bought not that long ago, because I have used those into the ground. I forgot to put earrings on. I'm gonna need to remember to do that before I go to work. I hope I remember. Let's see, the Wander Beauty Wondrous Blush Palette was one of my favorites. And I just feel like it gives me such a pretty, like, I don't know, pretty color in my cheeks. It's just really natural looking. So I am going to put some primer on my eyeballs. So I'm going to take this Referral 27 brush and I am going to go into Bechy. Is this one? And I'm just going to put like a little bit of color down for because I'm gonna use Bechybeautyblends, and I'm going to use one of the blues And if you have not used or heard of Bechybeautyblends, you definitely need to check out the Instagram. My friend Rowan is the owner operator and makes her own eyeshadows, and they are really, really good. Like really, 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 really good. I would say that's probably becoming very quickly one of my favorite brands. Reminds me a lot of Terra Moons, I would say. I would say it kind of has like a Terra Moons vibe. Okay, so that's pretty much the vibe I want to go for the base. I wanted some color, but I don't want it to outshine what I'm putting on my lid or over top. So I'm just gonna blue out the edges a little bit. You know, I really hate how it does that crazy shit with the lights. So these are my Bechybeautyblends shadows. And you can see they are gorgeous. And I think I want to use Oblong Earth probably. This off. I'm going to use this Bodyography brush. It picks up shimmers really well. And I'm going to blend this into my crease and my lid. Now I have not wet the shadow. I might wet it just to see if it looks any more amazing, but you can see it already looks amazing. Like I don't necessarily have to do anything else to make it look amazing. Stop with the freaking blinding people light. Okay. Now I'm gonna wet it. We'll see what happens when I wet it. I mean, we all know what's gonna happen when you wet it. It's gonna be even better. It's so magical. Such a magical color. That's beautiful. Alright, so I got that one, and then I'm going to go in to a darker blue, which I'm going to go into Vega. And Vega is beautiful as well. Oh yeah, that's what I wanted. Okay. So that's pretty much what I'm going for the eye look. Again, I said nothing super crazy, no cut creases. No. No crazy shit. You know what though? I do want to use extraterrestrial water. This one. Gosh, I'm trying not to drop it, but it's... And this is a transformation shade. I'm going to use that on my inner corner, and I'm going to tap it on the very, very top of it. And this is probably my favorite shade. And I think I'm going to use extraterrestrial water on my cheeks as a highlighter. Ooh, I love that shimmer. It's so pretty. My special shadows from Bechybeautyblends, which I'm in love with. I'm going to use this LA Girl blue. What is this called? Blue Aquatic. And I'm going to do Milk Makeup Mascara. I'm going to do this Mocha Cosmetics. And this is, I don't remember what the color is. It's from their mauve collection. And then I'm going to powder my face because I've been doing that lately. Oh, you know what? I need to do my brows. Shit. Brows, brows, brows. Brows, brows. Brows, brows. No. You all already know I don't go crazy. I just kind of like fill them in just a little bit. That's pretty much it. And this pencil is my She Glam one. It's from Shein, and I want to say it's like a couple bucks. I have one coming from Shop Miss A, and I want to try out the formula and see if it's good. Because if that one's good, it's only $1. And that's even better than e.l.f. So there is that. Brush out these monsters. Then I'm going to use a Q-tip on this one. I don't know what it is, but I always go really thick on the tail on that brow. I don't know if my brow's already thick and it's just the way I do. Right, so this is the finished look. What do you think? Did I do okay? Did I do Bechybeautyblends? Did I do her brand justice? Rowan, if you're watching this, what do you think? Did I do okay? Well, I really like it. That extraterrestrial water on my inner corner and on my cheeks is my favorite shade. And this is the first time that I have used the other blues, so I do like those as well. This one here has like a gold, I don't know, there's like a gold shift in there, kind of. Maybe it's not a gold shift, but it's like a gold reflect, so I do love that. And yeah, so I'm happy with this. please do me a favor. Go follow me over on Instagram if you haven't done so already. My giveaway should be going live really soon. So if you haven't followed me there, you go follow me there. You'll get a chance to win some really great prizes. Like and subscribe to my channel. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment, because you know I love to have conversations in the comments. It's honestly my favorite. Ask me anything you want to ask me. Anything. So, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye.